Hello, I'm here today to tell you about all the features and benefits of Philips CoreLine projector. Firstly, it provides energy efficiency. The CoreLine projector saves up to 60% energy compared to conventional lighting. Additionally, Philips CoreLine projectors offer an efficacy of up to 110 lumen per watt. It offers a long lifetime of 50,000 hours at L70, which means your customers don't need to worry about luminaire replacement for a very long time. The main feature of CoreLine projector is its color rendering index of above 90 for an excellent reproduction of colors. It's offered in two color temperatures, 3000 and 4000 Kelvin. The range comes with two options for the beam spread: medium 25 degree and wide 38 degree, and provides a light output of 3000 lumens without the option of dimming. One-to-one replacement to conventional CDM-based projectors, and it fits to most common 3C tracks in the European market. The CoreLine projector features an integrated onboard driver in the spot head instead of a track driver, allowing installation of spots with minimal gap in between. Designed for tool-free mounting and aiming, with 0 to 90 degrees tilt and 0 to 355 degrees pan bandwidth, providing ease of installation. Philips CoreLine projector holds the CE and ENAC marks, guaranteeing the highest quality you deserve. This means you can get the most out of our Philips CoreLine projector.